Hey everyone, I'm Johan. I'm the creator of PaperGraderPro. Uh, through these videos, I'll try to make it super easy for everyone to see what the app is most useful for and how to use it. So let's go ahead and get started with a bit of a walkthrough into how the app actually works. So from the home page, if you don't have credentials yet, you click on sign up. If you do already have credentials to use the app, you click on sign in. Super simple, super straightforward stuff. I was already signed in, so it automatically redirected me into the app itself. And in the app, you can see your most recent grading sessions. Obviously, this is my test account, so there's a lot of repetitive history exam grade 9 testing going on. You can also see your most popular assessments here. So an assessment is basically a grading template for a set of exams. So if you have the same exam repeating over and over again, every grading session can use that same assessment, if that makes sense. So your assessments are grading templates or rubrics, and you can use these over and over and over again, or make minor changes to create a new one based on an existing one. So the whole idea is to make grading as simple as possible for you. So the first thing you would actually do after signing in is most likely that you would create an assessment of your own. So to do that, you can either click on assessment library, go from there, or you can just click here to create an assessment. Once you do that, you'll be shown a fully automated way of doing that. So you can actually drop some files here or drag from a folder you have open on your computer. And what you should upload here is perhaps the exam itself, any grading instructions you have, anything like that that might help our AI determine what the assessment should look like. Let's try a few test files here. So I have a PDF document that has grading instructions for a history exam, and I have the exam itself. So I've got two files. One is a Word document, and one is a PDF. I'll drop them here. We have the text from the text file right here. That's the exam itself. We're processing the PDF, and we now have the PDF text extracted as well. So all of this happened in the background. And now what we can do is we can click on generate grading configuration. Once we do this, our AI will take all of the text we just extracted and do its best to fit that into our grading wizard. So you see it's automatically determined that this is a grade 9 history exam. Education type is secondary education. Education level is grade 9, and the subject is history. So all of this happened fully automatically just by us uploading a couple documents and letting it figure it out. The next thing we can do is just check the questions. So cause and effect, causes and major events of World War II, 25 points looks correct. Instructions for this specific question, whether or not we require citations, whether or not we require a specific formatting for answering this question. The expected answer format is an essay. Question 2, Industrial Revolution, 25 points, looks correct. Here are more detailed instructions on how to get 25 points. Rise and fall of the Roman Empire. Once again, more detailed information on how to get the full points there, and the impact of colonialism as question 4. So let's say for some reason you would like to add a question here, you can easily do that just by clicking add question. But now we're going to click on next. We're going to look at the grade level criteria. You can change these to whatever you want this to be. Once again, these were auto-filled by the AI just to get you started. Clicking on next brings us to the last tab here. So we have our feedback options, journal feedback per submission. If you hover there, you can see what this actually means in more words. So overall feedback on the entire submission, yes, we want that. Feedback per question, yes, that's useful. Improvement suggestions, yes, very useful as well. Grammar, we don't want to correct and comment the grammar at this time. Grading strictness, let's do relaxed. And language style, simple and clear, looks good. Here's an explainer on what that means. And feedback tone, constructive, seems appropriate as well. Sample answers, we don't need sample answers there. We don't want to use emojis. These are 9th graders. So we're just going to go ahead and click Save Project. Assessment created successfully. What you would actually do now is you would click on Start Grading Now. And once you do that, you're taken to the grade exams workflow, in which you select all the exams you want to grade, and then you grade them. So I have a few exams here, 14 of them. These are Word documents. I'll just add these to the grading session. You see 14 files added to the session, looks good. Status is pending. Once again, seems appropriate. When I'm ready, I'll just click on Start Grading. After a moment, the AI has processed all of our exams, and we can see the status being completed and the grades being what they are for each exam. Once we're done, we can click to open each individual exam or grade and see the exact feedback for that particular student on that particular exam. These guys did well. Good. Now, what you would actually do now is you would click on Download Results to export the results as an Excel spreadsheet. In the downloaded Excel, you can see the original student submission and all of the grading related to that exam. And it's super easy for you to just go through each exam, tweak the grading a bit if you want to, and then you're done with your whole batch of exams. So that's pretty nice. Later on, you can always find that particular grading session under the grading session view here. So just click on View Details, and you'll see everything right here. Cool. You can also download results again if you need to, just by clicking here. Excellent. That's a high-level overview on how PaperGraderPro works. I really hope it's useful. It seems like a lot of teachers are using a lot of time grading exams, so hopefully we can alleviate some of that pressure there. Thanks.